is a healthcare institution dedicated to delivering quality, accessible, and personalized healthcare services tailored to the needs of individuals and families. The clinic adopts a patient-centered approach, ensuring that every patient receives compassionate care that meets their unique needs. Beyond addressing immediate health concerns, CARE4ALL Clinic takes a holistic approach by emphasizing prevention and promoting long-term well-being to improve the overall quality of life for its patients. To further enhance its services, the clinic has embraced technological innovation through the development of an integrated database system. This system streamlines operations, ensures accurate record management, and improves administrative efficiency, allowing the clinic to focus on its core mission of providing exceptional healthcare.
As for the identification of problem, the first one is difficulty tracking delinquent fees. Overdue fees were hard to track because staff had to search through file manually. This caused delay in collecting payments, increased the risk of missing overdue accounts, and made it impossible to notify patient automatically about outstanding balance, which strained relations. The second one is redundancy and inconsistency. Patient information was often recorded multiple times, leading to errors like mismatched addresses and billing issues. This duplication wasted storage space and required extra effort to manage. The third one is limited data retrieval. The absence of a centralized database made it difficult to find specific patient or billing details. This slowed down report generation and response to inquiries. Additionally, searching by multiple criteria such as consultation dates or payment status was not possible. And the last one is lack of system integration. Records for appointment, billing, and patient details were stored separately. This fragmented setup made it hard to link related information, such as connecting consultation records with billing details.
Okay, next is recommendation to overcome the problem about the CARE4ALL clinic. As we all know, using a Microsoft Access as an effective tool for recording and managing the information in database. It is also enables users to store, organize, and manage large amounts of information efficiently. It provides a graphical interface for creating and manipulating database, making it an excellent choice for those who may not be familiar with coding and advanced database system. Next, the benefits has 3 points. First is provide a decision making with the use of information that is easy to operate. Next, improve the allocation of resources and financial stability. And the last is trust and transparency of the patients.
For table, all of the data in a database is contained in tables, which are database objects. Data in tables is arranged logically in a spreadsheet like row and column structure. Every column shows a field in the record and every row shows a distinct record. Data that is too short, too complex or detailed to be sufficiently explained in the text can be arranged using tables. For the overdue fee table contains appointment ID, appointment date, time, doctor's name, room number, consultation fee, and overdue consultation fee. And for the patient table contains patient ID, patient name, phone number, gender, date of birth, address, email, and appointment ID. In the effective query management, instead of referring to an already existing database table or database view, a database query table is a name table that includes a database-specific query. A query might be a request for an action on the data, the results from the database, or can be both. For the patient information for N query, which is patient table, contains patient ID, patient name, date of birth, and gender. For patient information for all query, that contains the appointment ID, appointment date, patient ID, and patient name. For patient information for all query, that contains the appointment ID, appointment date, patient ID, and patient name. For patient information for the all query, for patient contains patient ID, date of birth, appointment ID, and also phone number. For the last one is for patient information for the N query. For the overdue contains appointment ID, appointment date, time, and also the doctor's name. In the user-friendly forms, we can create a database applications user interface using an access form, which is database object. A form is fundamentally a tool for gathering and arranging data. It is a structured document having designated areas for data entry, whether for record keeping, administrative, or data collection. Data collecting can be standardized and streamlined with the use of forms. The interactive forms enable the staff to insert and access data about their patients and their fees amount at ease. For command buttons facilitate carrying out operations such as move forward or previews to other patients' information. A multi-page form with the tab controls is utilized to organize entry and display for ease of usability. And for this multi-page form for appointment, contain patient ID, patient name, phone number, gender, date of birth, address, email, and appointment ID. And for the patient information form, contains appointment ID, appointment date, time and doctor's name. For the multi-page form for patient, contains appointment ID, appointment date, time, doctor's name, room number, consultation fee and overdue consultation fee. And for this appointment form, contains appointment ID, appointment date, time, doctor's name, room number, consultation fee and also overdue consultation fee.
Next, I will explain about the report view. First is query-based report, overdue fees with patient salary. Next, a multi-table report. It is a combined data from patients and consultation fees. Okay, next, based on the picture, the first table is explain about appointment report. Okay, that the content, which is list of appointment, including patient's ID, name, date of appointment, and other relevant consultations particulars. Okay, next is a second table. This is about appointment report. The content is follows the first table with a similar report of the appointment in question. Next, the third table is about appointment report. It is incorporate the same details as the yearly tables regarding appointments and patient's record. Okay, for example, the table have a appointment ID, appointment date, time, and also a doctor name for each table. Okay, based on the picture, the table is to emphasizes the correlation between the patients and the appointments made on their behalf. For example, the table has a consultation fee, the overdue consultation fee, and also explain about the total price. Okay, this is a last report view. Based on the picture, it is about the patient table. It has a patient ID for C401 and then it has a patient name, phone number, gender, address, and other than that. This is all for the patient reports. Okay, next for the relationship, it has two main tables, patient and consultation fees. Integrated data describes the patients include overdue payments. Next is efficient data flow. Ensure accurate and consistent the information system. Okay, based on the image, shows a relationship diagram in a database. It has a two table. The first table is for overdue fee and the second is table for patients. This table is related to patient table through appointment ID and patient's ID field. It also to propose the overdue fee records with the corresponding patient for proper fee and patient details monitoring.
The CARE4ALL clinic has transformed its operation through the implementation of the CARE system, which centralized patient information into a unified database. This change has addressed inefficiencies from manual systems such as data redundancy and inaccuracies while improving record maintenance and consistency. The system automates the identification of overdue consultation fees, facilitating quicker payment recovery and allowing staff to focus on more valuable tasks, ultimately leading to increased productivity. Operational efficiencies has significantly improved due to user-friendly features like interactive forms and customizable reports. Staff can easily manage patient records and track payment with minimal training, enhancing resource allocation and financial stability to support quality care delivery. Additionally, the system enhances patient service by ensuring timely follow-ups on overdue fees, fostering trust and transparency. Overall, the CARE system has resolved long-standing issues, resulting in better efficiencies, financial health and quality of care at CARE4ALL Clinic, solidifying its reputation as a trusted healthcare provider in the community.